Hello traders, this video is about the protocols of the market, okay. We are looking at the 3-minute chart of the Euro USD currency pair. These protocols of the market is applicable to the to all the financial instruments, talking about the stocks, talking about the commodity, the currencies, okay, option, okay, all the financial instrument futures indices, okay, the protocols of the market is applicable to all the financial instrument, okay. And now what is the protocols of the market, okay, is one of the things that traders, especially new traders, are not aware of, okay. One of the example of the protocols of the market is the opening bell, okay. Another one is the closing bell. In this video, we will focus, okay, on the opening bell, the protocols of the opening bell, which is one of the protocols of the market, okay. When the market is about to open, very important, the market is likely to change direction or to pause, which means the market is preparing itself or resetting itself for the new market to open, okay. On this chart here, I have a yellow vertical line, as you can see here. This is the point in time today on the 8th of April 2011. This is the point in time where when New York did open. New York did open here. Using what we call the market pattern, which means the market will trend, the market will pause, and the market will trend again. We notice that on this 3-minute chart, the market was trending before New York opens here. Usually, when a market is trending before New York is open, or a market is trending before another market is open, there's a high probability to see a reversal. It's not always like this, but in most cases, you are likely to see a reversal, or the market may pause, because if the market is overextended during one particular market section, okay, before the next section, okay, so during a London session, suppose that the Euro USD or the Dow just move up to 200 points before New York is about to open, chances are that New York is not going to have much to play with, because the market is already overextended during one particular session. So the protocols of the market, paying attention to the opening bell, paying attention to the closing bell. In this video, we will focus on the opening bell, which is the yellow vertical line here. As you can see, the market was trending here using the market patterns, which is trend, pause, trend. You can see that the market was trending, and then here New York did open here. The market did consolidate it a bit here. We are seeing a bit of movement to the downside here. I will show you again in a London session another protocols of the market. London did open again here on this vertical line. Talking about the protocols of the market, the opening bell is one of the protocols of the market, and all the professional traders will respect religiously, okay, so to speak, the opening bell of London and the opening bell of New York. In the night time in London during the Asia session, when Tokyo is about to open at midnight London time, okay, which is 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay, very important point. The market will again pause carefully, waiting for Tokyo to open at 2 a.m. London time, okay. The market again will prepare itself for the opening bell of Hong Kong. The opening bell are one of the protocols of the market, and the professional will respect that religiously, which means if a professional trader is already in a trade, okay, so a professional trader, as you can see today, just before London is about to open, we see that during the Asia session, the Euro USD was going up. This strategy is perfectly applicable to the stocks, to the futures, to the option, to the currency, to the indices. We can see that during the Asia session, for one reason or another, there was a lot of activity during this Asia session. Usually the Asia session is a very quiet session. We do not trade the Asia session as a TST WSYS08 traders. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TST WSYS008 traders. Our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. Okay, as you can see here, we can see that the market was trending just before London did open here, it was a clear-cut activity in the market with a lot of volume and volatility, as you can see on this 3-minute chart. And you can see that London did open here, but just before London is about to open, you can see that there was a kind of a consolidation. The price was stuck in these two levels here, this level here and this level here. Okay, before this is the pause, just a quick, a short period of pause before London did open here. The price did continue the movement to the upside a bit here, only to come back down. You can see that there was a bit of a movement during the Asia session. Like this is what we are talking about. If there is too much activity in one section, okay, one trading session, okay, which means Asia session, too much activity, chances that talking about the range of the day, okay, talking about the maximum movement of one particular instrument, talking about the character of one particular financial instrument, okay, paying attention to the maximum range of one particular currency or stocks, okay, knowing the characteristic or the behavior of one particular financial instrument. If there is too much activity in one trading section, and just before another session is about to open, be prepared for a reversal or a pause period, paying attention to what we call the market patterns, trend, pause, trend. This is about the protocols of the market. Here, at this point in time, London did open here. The price tried to go up a bit, only to come back down a bit before pausing a bit. Okay, it went down very, very fast. People take a bit of profit. Okay, this is usually happen. This is normal. It's talking about the psychology of the traders. Okay, the mindset of the professional trader preparing themselves for this particular moment. The protocol of the opening bell, which is one of the protocols of the market. There are other protocols, of course. We have the closing bell, which is a protocol of the market. The closing of the monthly candle is also one of the protocols of the market. The closing of the weekly candle is also one protocols of the market, and the professional will pay attention of that particular candle. And the closing of the yearly candle, this is also one particular point in time where the professional will pay attention to the protocols of the market. A candle, very important. A candle is about to close. Okay, the protocol of the closing of the candle of the quarterly chart, very important. The professional watching that point in time, very important. A price approaching a very important resistance level. This is also one of the moments where the professional will pay attention. This is about the protocols of the market. As you can see in this video, we have focused clearly on the one of the protocols of the market. And as you can see here, New York again is open right now, and then you see that during the London session we have a bit of movement on this particular. If you look carefully here, London did open in this point in time. Okay, the price did went up, went down to the same level where it did open here, retesting this level, validating this zone as a support level. Okay, and then the price continued movement to the upside, went down a bit. Okay, now went a bit up. So there was a clear-cut movement again during the London session. So we have a bit of activity during the Asia session before London did open here, and again a lot of activity again during the London session. Okay, now New York is about to open. There is not much left for New York, as you can see, talking about the range of the financial instrument that we are taking to go into the mind of the professional trader, applying this strategy of the protocols of the market right here. As you can see, New York did open on this vertical yellow line here. Okay, the market tried to go up a bit, only to start going down. We are now going down, and we will watch carefully what is about to happen. There's a high probability, not a certainty, but a high probability that this Euro USD may continue the movement to the downside, as it has already extended or exhausted, okay, the average range that is supposed to have for a day. Okay, so this is about the protocols of the market, and I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon.